Yes. Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Himanshu Modi, and with me, our team is there. Nick is there. He's from UK. Hi, Nick.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Sikora.
Yeah, and from our team, Akshay, Ashmit, and Nilofer is also there.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome.
Hello
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you. Okay, so now today is the partner meet which we held today. Okay, so the purpose of this meeting is, so what we are going to cover here. So the problems, the challenges, what the customer faces. Okay, what their need is there. We will discuss about their needs. Then how our Secura solution is going to help you. Okay. And we are also going to announce the partner of the month, and we will also showcase you the partner benefits. And after that, we will also introduce some of the partners who join, and they also give us their feedback that after joining the Secura, what is their feedback about our product and how they are generating more business through Secura. Okay. So so let me start with the problems now. Okay. So what are the challenges and people are facing nowadays as a customer? So because see, you are a partner, so you are also handling different customers. Okay. So you have a different type of customer. So what the problem generally our customers are facing right now? So what we, based on our the day-to-day communication with the different partners, what we understood from the partners that their customers are facing major issue with the lack of data control. So whatever the data they generate, currently they don't have a control over their data. That is first thing, which is the major problem. Then they are also having a fear of ransomware attack. Okay, so they heard some of the and some of the companies, they already had faced the same issue. Even in this week, we got two customers, from the two partners we heard their customers are fall into the ransomware attack. Okay, so this is also a major problem. Because of this, their data is getting lost, the data is getting out of control, and because of they might face a productivity issue because they might not have a backup solution, or they are not taking backup of their data. So without data, they can't work. So this is a major issue. Even the accidental data loss is also happening sometimes because of device failure, or might be somebody deleted the files or something happened. By mistake, they have deleted, not intentionally, unintentionally they have deleted. Okay. Then there is a problem the people are facing, customers are facing. They might lose some customers because of their data loss, or their reputation is going down. Okay. And because of downtime and disruptions, financial loss will happen. Okay. So these are the problems generally our customers face. And what they need. Okay. So people are looking for data backup solutions. They are looking for security of data files. They are looking for the data leakage prevention, which is we are talking about DLP solutions. Okay. Even they use the antivirus solutions or antivirus solution, email security they want. They are also require nowadays because of Corona, people are working from home. So they require a remote working solutions also. Okay. Now, why Secura and how Secura is going to help you? Okay. So then we are showing in the partner demo, when we are recruiting as a partner, we only focus right now on the Secura Guard. But in Secura, we have a different products. Okay, because Secura is very vast product. So that's the reason we are here to introduce that our different product also. So if you are getting some leads, some inquiries, or some need from the customer, so you can see which product is going to fit with your customers. So first product is Secure Office, which is so these are the products. So I will go one by one in detail in the next slide. So our products are Secure Office, Secure Guard, Secure Cyber Shield, Secure Cloud, Secure Mail, and we are coming up with this product also, Secure Backup, Secure Share, and Secure Family in next 3 to 4 months. Okay. Now, Secure Office. So our Secure Office is all-in-one data protection solution. So whatever the data you generate in your organizations, okay, we log at the source. When you generate the data, we log the data, and the log data will travel from your different places. Like your data will be traveled from your email, or might be a cloud, or in the local computer. It will remain secure. Now we provide in Secura, you can configure your email account like you configure in Outlook. You can configure your any email hosting like Google hosting or O365 hosting, or if you have a cPanel or personal server, you can also configure your email server here. And whatever the mail communication you do through Secura, it will be secure. We also provide you feature of module of cloud data security. So in Secura, we provide Secura Cloud as a default, as a complementary, which is where we are giving per user 5 GB cloud space. And we also provide you also options. So if you want to create your custom cloud in your organization, in your office premises, you can do that. So we convert any one of your computer into cloud machine. Okay, Secura custom cloud. Okay. We also provide you can connect through our software to Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. As Secura is available in majorly all the operating system like Windows, Mac, Android phone, and iPhone, we provide you in the phone, you can secure your photos. Okay. We also provide you security of all type of documents like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, because with Secura, we provide Secure Office, where we provide Word, Excel, PowerPoint solutions. We also provide you instant messaging solutions. So generally in the organization, SMEs, people are using WhatsApp or Telegram or other Signal, different type of chatting application nowadays. But if you use the Secura instant messaging, it will help you, because we will provide you that feature that, okay, once your employee left from the organization, because generally in the SMEs, people are working with their own phone, like they are not providing phone, they are working their personal phone, right? So when they left, you don't have to worry, because your data will be because you can use the device burn and account burn feature. Your data will be deleted from their account, their devices. Okay. We also provide you calling features. You can call your employee or business partners through our application. Okay. Now, whatever the data is there in your computer, like the data which is there in the action or rest or transition mode, your data will be secure. Let me explain you what is a rest mode. So whatever the data is there in your computer, okay, like in your computer device, okay, in the local storage like C drive, D drive, wherever you store the data, even you have a data in your mailbox or in the USB, your data is secure. When you access the data to open, to view or edit, okay, it will be remain protected. Even when you share the data through email or cloud or through local computer, it will be remain secure. Okay, while in transit also. Okay, so these all features are there. Okay, now we also provide you content management rights. Content management rights means whatever the data in your organization your employees are creating, first thing, that the content owner is the admin of the company. Okay, so I am running my company, and whatever the employee is generating any content, that content owner is I am. Okay, so I can grant my employee in a different way. So I can also, we provide you ultra content protection mode, where we provide you option. You can allow your employee to copy, forward, screenshot or download, okay, with permission or without permission. Okay. So suppose you want a case, so whenever they want to download any application or download any file, okay, or share any file, you want that they should ask for the permission, you can do that. And if you want that, okay, nobody, they are allowed to share, download or anything, you can also do that. So both the facility we provide in Secura. But by default, we log, they need to ask for the permission. Okay. We also provide you a feature of download, copy, forward, print, other features we also provide. Okay. Then we also provide you a feature that whatever the activity they do, they create files, they share files, whatever the activity they do, we provide the audit log feature, so you can track your employees' activity, how many files they've shared within the organization, outside the organization. So all these features we provide with the content rights management. So in Secura, we have so many features. So the Secura, as I told you before also, that whatever the content you generate, we lock at the source. And locked content will be traveled from one computer to another computer from within the organization or outside the organization through email or cloud or anywhere. So here the Secura concept is simple. So when you share an email, send an email, so other person will receive the email from your, email will travel from your account, your mail account to his mail account. Normally, whatever we do, it's the same way. But what we do, Secura to Secura, to read that mail, we transfer the keys. Okay. So now we provide you feature of take back. So you can take back your keys anytime for single mail, single files, or all the files or all the mails. So that's the reason we can provide you option like take back. So you can take back your mail, take back your data anytime. Okay. Because when you take back the keys, the data will remain with them, but that data is no use because that they can't read the data. They require keys to read the data. We also provide you a self-destruct mode, allow copy, allow forward, because in by default, when you share any files, Secura, it's a view only mode. So I can view the file, but I can't do copy, forward, share, print screen recording, nothing I can do. So we also provide you allow delete. Then we also provide you option of app ban. So if your employees device is getting stolen or lost, we provide you app ban feature. Okay. We also provide you a feature of audit trail, which is I already explained you. We also provide you secret and private area mode. So you can set your secret area password and you can log into the secret area, and then you can view, you can upload in the secret area files, which is available to only you only. Okay. We also provide you IP-wise protection, so you can so you can allow your employee to work on specific IP. We also provide you USB lock features. So majorly we provide this many features, which is helping you, okay, helping your customers to run their organization to protect their data. Now, in the Secura Office, okay, we provide you, it's a business tool. So we have, this is for the business. So we provide you a centralized administrator panel where you can manage your employees. You can add, create employees account. You can assign them a different type of rights. You can also add email also, cloud also. Okay. And even we provide you remote work security. Okay. So whatever the data you can share, and that shared data they can access through Secura only, Secura Cloud also, if you want to allow them to work. And even we provide you feature of ransomware protection, folder lock feature, that type of features we provide here. Okay. Now, Secura Guard. Everybody is aware about this, is specially designed for to secure the tally data. Okay. Where we provide benefits, thief proof. Your data will not going to copy it intentionally or unintentionally. Your employee will not able to copy your data. Even we provide you ransomware protection. We provide you secret and invisible mode there also. Okay. And if your hard disk or data files get deleted by mistake, crashed or data file deleted by mistake, you don't have to worry because you have a backup solution here. Now we also provide you Secura Cyber Shield, which is awareness training program. Okay. We have created over 200 awareness templates in a video format. So it's all 200 templates are in the different topics like email security, cloud security, local data security, ransomware, ransomware, what is ransomware, CEO fraud attack, how CEO fraud attacks are happening. So you and your employee will be ready for, you have an awareness. So if suppose actually any attacks are happening to you, you are aware and you will safeguard from yourself to happening any actual attack, real-time attack. Okay. We also provide you a mock drill, like you can also check your employees that how much your employees are ready to face this type of attack. You can do the mock attack with them, phishing attack and CEO fraud attack with them. Okay. Then these are all the products which we have shown here. Now, what are the partner benefit here? So everybody is aware and everybody is right now partner with us. But I just want to highlight again the partner benefit again. So what type of okay. So we are already giving you 25% commission right now. Okay. But this commission is not only for the first year, we are also providing you a year-wise year commission. So when whatever the customer you recruit here, the renewal will be done from you only. Okay. So suppose you like in Tally, if I buy Tally, I can renew from anybody right now. But in Secura, if I buy this Secura from any partners, I need to buy from that partners only. So we provide you that assurance. And if you allow us to renew through another partner, then we are allowing, means that customer is allowed to renew to another partner. Okay. We also provide you a partner module. So we have created a securapartner.com website, and where we have a partner resource center. So you can log into that resource center and you can access anytime our material. Like we have a different material. So we have posters, we have a small videos, which is you can share through WhatsApp or social media platform through Facebook or Instagram. We also provide you a material in the PDF format like leaflets and other materials. So you can also download that material, which is help you to share to your customer and to generate leads or generate interest on this product. We also provide you support. So what we provide you support here. So every week we hold 4 demo for the customers. On Tuesday, 4 o'clock, Thursday, 11 a.m., Friday, 4 o'clock, and Saturday, 11 a.m. So we held 4 demos for the customers where our partners can bring their customers and they can showcase this product to their customer. So you can generate interest of this product and they can understand about the product very well. And which is also, this will also help you to understand product very well. And you can also start selling and start closing from your side also. Now, this product is a add-on product. So this product is not right now with you are selling Tally. You are also selling different products, softwares like antivirus and other solutions. But this product is different. So this will help you to earn additional income. Why? Because your some of the partners, what we got the response from some of the partners, so their customers are left because they are working since 2005, 2004, 2003. Okay. So some of the customers they lost because they renew the Tally from different partners. But because of this product, how this product is helping them, so they can now again start communicating with that old customer who is not with them right now. And by selling this product to them, now they have a good relationship with them also. So it will help you to generate additional revenue, as well as it will help you to create it will help you to again that your customer will be again come to you. Now, So we have every month we announce a partner of the month. So this last month for the July, we have partner Praveen Loke, which is from Global Infocoms Network LLP. So he has done a good business on the July, and that's the reason we have made him a partner of the month. Okay. And before that July, on the June, we have a Natarajan, who is from Trust Code Solutions, who is also a partner of the month for the June. Okay. So every month we announce a partner of the month, and they will get also additional benefit as a partner of the month. So we will communicate with you what are the benefit for the partner of the month you will get if you are doing a good business with us. Okay. So now we have a question and answer session. So everybody can ask a question here. Okay. So before I ask the question to everyone, I will introduce Mr. Vijay Kumar, who is with us since more than 8 months now. Okay. So Vijay Kumar, you there, sir? Vijay Kumar? Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Hello. Nilofar, is Vijay Kumar is there? Okay. I think he is facing some internet issue, might be. So, Mr. Bansali, you have any questions, sir? Mr. Bansali? Okay, Mr. Itiraj?
I have two queries. One
Yes,
is,
sir. Yes, sir.
who do you think are the targeted audience for this software? Who will be the targeted customer for this software? The other one is, who is the competitor for our software?
Okay, good question, sir. Okay, so first let me tell you that currently, so in Secura, we have a 360-degree data protection solution. So we have email security, we have cloud security, as I mentioned previously also. So the competitors are there, but they are into we have a competitor for email data security, which is only focusing on email security. So they don't have like other security like cloud security or other type of data security. Then we have a competitor for the cloud data security, but they are not focusing on email security or local data security. So currently in the market, the product is not available who provide you all data security. Okay. And the target audience. So what you can do, you can target, see, this product is not only to specific industry, like it's not only for pharma industry but what you can do, you can target them. Their data is important. Like, let me tell you, to give you the example, the pharma companies where their research document is important, they want to protect their data. The company who is into like a law firm, they also have some important documents of the customers, so you can provide them this software. The CA, tax consultant, you can also target them where they are holding a customer accounting data. So you can secure that data also. Okay. Even the designing company, logo designing company, you can target. So it's and even schools, colleges also you can target. They have their own materials like question banks and course materials. So you can also target. So you can see the customer, what type of data they are holding, and is the data is important for them, then you can target them. So it's not only like specific industry, you can target anybody. Okay. So Mr. Vijay Kumar, you there?
I would like to add on one more question. Sir.
Yeah, sorry, yeah, if it does.
After we have a customer, see, we have located a customer
Yeah.
in any of this industry or out of the industry. What is the process? How to go about, sir? Say I find a customer A, XYZ. He is interested in the product to know more about the product.
Right.
So what is the process? How it goes about?
Okay, good question. So what you can do, sir, so if your customers are interested in product, okay, so as I told you before also that you can bring them on the customer demo. So we already see we are holding demo in weekly 4 demos we are doing for the customers. So you can ask them to come on any demo.
Okay.
Okay, and you can speak with our business development manager if you want to arrange a one-to-one demo also. We will do that based on the customer importance of the customer.
Okay.
Okay.
Once the customer sees the demo, we can finalize the deal and we can.
Yes.
And the installation part will take the next step.
Yes, perfect. That is the process.
Installation and training process will be done by you.
Yes. So currently we are doing the installation and training. Okay. So the objective is that partner will understand the product very well. Okay. And partner will do the installation and training later on. But right now we are helping the partners.
And the support part, sir?
Support also we are doing.
For 1 year subscription, we sell the product.
Yes, it's a yearly subscription. Even we are providing a quarterly subscription also. So suppose them customers want to try the product. Okay, so what we ask them to do, you go for the quarterly subscription.
Quarterly.
Quarterly, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, Vijay Kumar, you there? Okay, Mr. Tarun, you there? Tarun Kumar?
Himanshu sir?
Yes.
Yeah, Kuntal sir has joined right now.
Okay. So, yeah, okay. Kuntalji, you there?
Yeah, Himanshu.
Hi. Okay, so see, Mr. Kuntal is also our partner since like more than 1 year now. And I would like to ask some question to him so that other partner also understand what is the about the partners feeling, that what our old partners feel about the product and how it will help you also to generate more leads or generate more business also. So Kuntal ji, मैं आपको question पूछूंगा. Okay. So okay, so what type of business you are doing, sir?
I am a system integrator and solution provider.
Okay, system
Security
integrator.
solution provider.
Okay. Okay, so why did you decide to become a Secura partner, sir?
Actually, we are doing security audits also, and Secura is a very good product, for companies who has their data, they want to secure their data. Also, we have product like I forgot the name of our product.
Secura Cyber Shield, Secura, Secura Work, Secura Office, and Secura Guard.
Secure Office, okay, but the training educational.
Secura Cyber Shield, sir. Secura
Yeah,
Cyber Shield.
Secure
Yeah.
Cyber Shield is also a good, very good product for educating our employees and everybody.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you like about our product range? So we have a different product range. So which product you like more, sir? That you think that is a good for sell easily?
Secura Suite and Secura Cyber Suite.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And how you are promoting to
And
this product?
one more
to your-
product we have only for Tally, I think.
Yes, Tally, sir. Yeah.
That is
Secura Guard.
yeah, that is very good product
Okay,
for
sir.
specific Tally users.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So how you are promoting this product to your to customer or contacts, sir?
We do WhatsApp messages, email first, and even some of my engineers, they have knowledge of our product, so they are also pitching.
Okay. So are you getting through reference also? Like suppose you are pitching to somebody and they are referring to the other people? You're getting
Yeah,
that?
I am getting references, but
Okay.
somehow we are not able to make it.
No problem, sir.
Yeah.
So are you targeting to specific industry or specific people, or you are targeting all people?
No, I am targeting all because our product is not for a particular one targeted audience.
Okay.
So our product is we can teach anybody.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And any changes happen because of partnership with us in your business, sir?
Yeah, I have some security products in my kitty. So I have some more solutions towards security and cyber security products. So that is a beneficial for me and my company
Good, sir.
that
Thank you.
we have this kind of products.
Yes, sir. So thank you for your feedback, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
This will help other partners to also understand the product, and if they have some questions or query, they can also
They can contact me anytime.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you, Malchita.
Thank you. So anybody wants to ask any question? Tarun Kumar ji?
No, sir, right now I don't have any single question. Just we
Himanshu
need
bhai, somebody has a question in chat. I think
Okay.
I don't know whether you have addressed it or not.
Okay, so Itiraj is there from Chennai. He asks, where is Mr. Kuntal located?
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad, right. So, and also he is asking us question that, okay, who is a targeted customer, means targeted customer, whom you are targeting?
I have targeted financial sector, means finance and investment sector, mid corporates, large corporates, then some colleges, institutionals.
Okay.
Yeah. And universities also.
And what is the response you are getting from the customers? So what they say after seeing the product demo? What is their feedback, sir?
The feedbacks are good, but somehow they are not able to make it due to the means this product, our products, we can address anybody, but we have to show this to topmost authority.
Decision
Who are
maker.
the decision makers? Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
So that will be better if any of our partners they contact to decision makers, then the leads will be very fast. You know,
Converted easily, sir.
yeah, converted easily.
With the order. Good, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Kuntalji. Thank you. So I think Tarun Kumar want to say something. Yes, sir. Tarun Kumar, please say.
Nothing to say, sir. Nothing to say. Thanks.
So, sir, this session will help you to means like, or you understood anything which you are not aware about this product or this anything you learned today, new things, sir?
Yeah. Actually, I've rewind all the things again. Last time in May month, we have seen your demonstration like that.
Okay.
Not demonstration. I have attended last time your webinar like that.
Okay.
So I was skipping from mind. So I am basically revising the same thing.
Okay, sir. Good. So it will help you, sir, right?
Yeah, sir. Definitely, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Mr. Mukesh Jain, do you have any question?
Mr. Mukesh has just joined.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. No, I have no question. Just
आप हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हो अगर if you are not comfortable to speak in English, no problem, sir. आप हिंदी में बात
Sir,
कर सकते
Mukesh ji has joined recently as a partner.
हो. Okay.
Yeah. तो मुकेश जी कुछ सवाल है आपके एज अ पार्टनर या कुछ पूछना है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं.
सर एक आध बार आपका जो ऑडियो और वीडियो देख लूंगा फिर बात करता हूँ आपको. वही तो मेरे को पहले क्या है वो पता ही नहीं है.
So मुकेश जी, हाँ मुकेश जी, मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा कि आपने मतलब आपकी कंपनी के बारे में और आप कहाँ से हो कुछ बताएंगे, लोगों को पता चले सर.
मैं अहमदाबाद से हूँ.
ओके.
मेरा अरिहंत कंप्यूटर फर्म का नाम है.
ओके.
तो मेनली मेरा काम कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर मेंटेनेंस का है.
ओके सर.
हम लोग बड़ी कंपनियों में मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है 2-3 बड़ी कंपनियों में और प्लस छोटे मोटे कस्टमर भी बहुत से हैं.
राइट सर.
ऐसा है.
तो आपने ये सिक्योरा का जो पार्टनरशिप के लिए एनरोल किया तो क्या सोच के किया, मतलब क्या आपके माइंड में था कि चलो ये इसका पार्टनर बनना चाहिए?
सर अभी तो क्या था कि आपके एंड से कॉल आते था तो अभी तक मैं उसमें कुछ चेक ही नहीं कर पाया. मैंने कहा कुछ नया बिजनेस है, क्या है, बात करूंगा फिर बताता हूँ क्या है. नहीं अभी तो
आपने हमारा जो हम पार्टनर्स को हमारा जो सिक्योरा का प्रोडक्ट फ्री में देते हैं माई सिक्योरा करके जो तो आपने इंश्योर किया है?
अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं किया है सर. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ही अभी ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ आपके यहाँ.
ओके सर, नो प्रॉब्लम.
और अभी मैनेज हुआ नहीं है.
तो आप इंश्योर करवा दीजिए. जो अभी आपने पार्टनरशिप जो लिंक से पार्टनरशिप रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है तो आपको ईमेल में लिंक आई होगी जहां से आप सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और उसमें हमने इंस्टॉलेशन स्टेप्स भी किए हुए हैं कि कैसे आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं.
श्योर.
अगर कोई क्वेरी या क्वेश्चन है तो कभी भी आप हमारे जो बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर है उनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
श्योर. ठीक.
जो आप हेल्प करेंगे सर.
श्योर.
थैंक यू.
ओके.
Mr. Aris Dhaka, right? You want to say something, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Can you please introduce yourself, sir?
Yeah. I have joined so much late because of my cell phone battery. I first of all I tried from my cell phone. One is very older, that is not supposed to use. After some late timing, I started from my PC. or my PC audio is very poor. So I think today I don't have any question because I have not understand much more about Secura.
Okay, sir. So what we will do also, sir, we will share you this demo, this sessions also audio also, means like video file through YouTube. So we will share you the link.
Pardon?
Okay. So हम आपको क्या करेंगे, ये जो ये सेशन रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है उसकी लिंक भी भेज देंगे, तो आप उसको देख पाएंगे. तो अगर कोई क्वेश्चन या क्वेरी रहेगी तो आप बाद में भी पूछ सकते हैं सर.
That is suitable.
राइट.
Okay. Okay.
ओके सर, थैंक यू. विजय जी आप हैं सर?
हाँ सर, अभी मेरा नेट भी स्टेबल है और मैं अभी ऑफिस में हूँ. बोलिए सर.
ओके ओके ओके. सो बस वही था कि आप इतने टाइम से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछने थे थोड़े आपसे, सो पीपल कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ओके सर. सो आप भी, आपके बारे में तो आपने बताया था कि आप जो आपका बिजनेस क्या है, लेकिन आप वापस अगर कई लोग बाद में ज्वाइन हुए तो आप बता सकते हैं सर कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस यू आर इन्वॉल्विंग सर.
सर मेरा सॉफ्टवेयर का काम काज है. मैं टैली का सर्टिफाइड पार्टनर हूँ और हमारा ज्यादातर टैली और अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर का काम काज है हमारा.
ओके सर. और सर आप कहाँ से हैं सर? जस्ट टू आस्क अगेन.
गुजरात में, नॉर्थ गुजरात से.
नॉर्थ गुजरात से. ओके. और सिटी का नाम सर क्या है?
मोड़ासा.
मोड़ासा. मोड़ासा. ओके सर, गुड सर. और सर आपने सिक्योरा का पार्टनरशिप के लिए रजिस्टर किया तो क्या सोच के किया, मतलब क्या आपको लगा कि इसमें पार्टनरशिप करनी चाहिए सर?
सिक्योरा के पार्टनरशिप के लिए सर मैं पहले से ये ढूंढ रहा था कुछ ऐसी चीज कि जो डेटा पे हमारा कंट्रोल हो ऐसा.
ओके.
जैसे हम लोग टैली के पार्टनर है ना, तो बीच में हमारे क्लाइंट का रैंसमवेयर की वजह से पूरा डेटा चला गया.
राइट.
तो उनको भी जरूरत थी, तो उसकी वजह से मैं कहीं उसकी सर्च में ही था, तो भी आपका मेरे को एक वेबिनार आपका अटेंड किया मैंने.
राइट.
फिर मैंने 2-3 बार आपका अटेंड किया, फिर वो 22 मैडम बार देखे, फिर मैंने डिसाइड किया कि ये चीज ठीक है और हम इसमें पार्टनरशिप में काम कर सकते हैं इसके साथ. एक दो बार तो मैंने आपसे भी पर्सनली डेमो लिया हुआ है, आपको याद हो तो.
यस यस यस, हमने 2-3 बार बात की थी इसके पर, और आपको क्वेश्चंस भी थे.
कि नहीं ये प्रोडक्ट तो ठीक है, फिर मैंने चालू किया, आपने पार्टनरशिप के लिए अप्लाई किया.
ओके सर, थैंक यू. तो आपको ये जो हमारे सिक्योरा के प्रोडक्ट रेंज आपने देखे, ये आपको पता भी होंगे, हमने जो सबको आज बताया. सो आपको मतलब ये कौन से उसमें से प्रोडक्ट रेंज में कौन सा प्रोडक्ट आपको लगता है कि जो आपके कस्टमर्स के लिए अच्छा है?
हमारे लिए तो सिक्योरा गार्ड ही बेस्ट है.
राइट.
हाँ, बाकी सिक्योरा के और प्रोडक्ट जो मेरे को अच्छे लगते हैं उसमें माई सिक्योरा है, फिर सिक्योरा फैमिली है और सिक्योरा सेफ मेल है, जो मेरे को अच्छे लगते हैं उनमें से. पर हमारे लिए तो हम जो ज्यादा पिच करते हैं ना, वो अभी सिक्योरा गार्ड है, क्योंकि हम ज्यादातर क्लाइंट टैली से जुड़े हुए हैं ना, तो
राइट.
क्योंकि हमारा काम फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर का है.
ओके सर. सो आप इसको प्रमोट कैसे करते हैं, मतलब आप कैसे अपने कस्टमर्स को आप ये प्रोडक्ट प्रमोट करते हैं सर? विजय कुमार जी, हेलो. आई थिंक उनका इंटरनेट अगेन इज डाउन. ओके, आई थिंक उनका इंटरनेट का इशू है, सो दे आर फेसिंग सम इंटरनेट इशू. नो प्रॉब्लम. Okay, so with us now, Bhavisha is also joined. And Bhavisha, you want to say something?
हेलो।
ओके विजय कुमार जी, आपका इंटरनेट चला गया था शायद। Okay, Sanket, you have a question, right?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, right.
Okay, so can we generate leads using Google and Facebook ads? Sir, so you can do that if you want to, means you can generate leads from there. And if you have an expertise, you can do that. It's not an issue. Okay, I think, okay, so anybody has a questions? Nick, you want to say anything? Yeah? Nick, you there? Hello?
हेलो हिमांशु सर, सॉरी नेट डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया फिर से।
No problem, no problem. So just एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन था कि आप ये प्रोडक्ट को कैसे प्रमोट करते हैं आपके कस्टमर के लिए?
हाँ सर, वो हम लोग सोशल मीडिया से भी कर रहे हैं और बीच
Okay.
में हमने एक मीटिंग में आपसे ईडीएम भी मांगे थे आपसे कि हमको
Right.
हमारे पर्सनलाइज ईडीएम बनवा के दे दो। तो
Yeah.
अभी जो है अपने बीच में मैडम ने हमको भेजे थे, तो हम वो ईडीएम भी सेंड करते हैं।
Okay.
और जब भी हमारी वेबिनार होते हैं तो हम उसमें भी हमारा ये सिक्योर गार्ड के बारे में थोड़ा वो करते हैं। हमारे जो टेली के वेबिनार रहते हैं हमारे
Right.
हमारे क्लाइंट के लिए, तो
Okay.
उनमें भी हम लोग प्रमोट करते हैं।
So क्लाइंट को ये जो प्रोडक्ट आप दिखाते तो उसका फीडबैक कैसा आ रहा है अभी करंटली? मतलब आर दे लाइकिंग द प्रोडक्ट और दे आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द प्रोडक्ट और दे सी दिस प्रोडक्ट इज यूजफुल फॉर देम? मतलब उनके लिए प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगता है?
हाँ, प्रोडक्ट कस्टमर लाइक करते हैं प्रोडक्ट।
ओके।
और वो भी सोच भी रहे हैं कई कस्टमर। हमने बीच में एक कस्टमर से आपका वो पर्सनल भी डेमो करवाया था, आपको याद होगा अभी लास्ट वीक में।
लास्ट वीक में करवाया था।
हाँ हाँ।
Right, sir. Good, sir. No problem. So बस एक अभी जस्ट एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था सर कि एनीथिंग यू वांट टू एडवाइस टू द पार्टनर्स जो आज हमारे यहाँ साथ में है, तो उनको कुछ आपको एडवाइस देनी है कि कैसे आप मतलब वो लोग भी कैसे बिजनेस को कैसे और जनरेट कर सकते हैं या कुछ?
हाँ, उसके लिए सर ये वो सोशल मीडिया में मार्केटिंग कर सकते हैं। पहले तो वो खुद ये प्रोडक्ट को समझ ले और उसके बाद वो जो उनको कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा तो वो फिर अच्छे से पिच कर पाएंगे।
ओके।
हेलो।
यस सर, थैंक यू सर फॉर योर सजेशन। थैंक यू।
वेलकम सर।
ओके, सो एनीबॉडी हैज अ क्वेश्चन? किसी को और किसी को?
1 मिनट सर।
हाँ बोलिए सर।
हाँ, और ये सिक्का में है ना, तो वो एक 256 AES एन्क्रिप्शन है जो बहुत ही बेस्ट एन्क्रिप्शन टेक्नोलॉजी है।
थैंक यू सर।
हाँ, ओके
Okay,
ओवर
sir.
टू
Thank
हिमांशु
you.
सर।
Yeah, thank you sir, thank you. Okay, so anybody who has a question, किसी को क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं। Anybody, किसी को कोई सेलिंग रिलेटेड कोई डाउट्स है या कोई भी डाउट, एनी डाउट? Okay, so thank you for coming everyone. So अभी हम ये सेशन we are going to close this session now. Okay, and for any questions or query you can connect to our business development manager, who is like Akshay, Ashmit and Nilofer is there. Okay, thank you for joining and thank you for coming here and have a nice weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.